Isaac from Isaac Lego Tube, and today I'm going to show you Lego Creator Seaplane ages to 6 to 12. The set number is 31028. The piece contain 53 pieces. Alright. Anyway, let's tell you the detail about this. Yeah, this is the best detail. It looks boring, like, you know. You may put in the water, but I cannot. Somebody let me borrow it to do it, okay? Then, as you've seen, not just like that. 3 and 1 pieces. The creator, the booklets here, the pieces, they're all completed. Thank you for watching. Let's have fun, alright? Okay. I want to try one more time. Oh! Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, like my channel. Oh, I cannot see by myself now. ¿Pa qué no jala? Peace out. Oh no, it's fire.